case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2001, the Supreme Court heard the case of United States v. United Foods, Inc., which centered on the constitutionality of mandatory assessments for mushroom promotion, research, and consumer information. United Foods, Inc. refused to pay these assessments, arguing that the subsidy for generic advertising violated the First Amendment because it forced them to pay for speech they did not agree with. The lower court failed to consider the First Amendment implications of the mandated assessments. However, the Supreme Court held that compelled assessments could not be sustained under existing precedents and found them to be unconstitutional under the First Amendment. The court found that the compelled contributions were not part of a broader regulatory scheme and were not germane to a purpose related to an association independent from the speech itself. Contrary to the government's claims, the advertising program was not similar to previously upheld ones. It did not belong to a more comprehensive statutory program for agricultural marketing. Mushroom producers and importers were allowed to nominate members to establish the Mushroom Council, which was then authorized to impose mandatory assessments upon handlers of fresh mushrooms to fund its programs. Ultimately, the Supreme Court decided that the government could not require individuals to support objected speech through these mandatory assessments, which violated the First Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.